Hey there, laptop users. Welcome back to Techie. Today, we're diving into an important aspect of laptop maintenance, checking your battery health in Windows 10. Let's get started. Keeping an eye on your laptop's battery health is crucial for maintaining its performance and longevity. Here's how you can check your battery health in Windows 10. 1. Using Windows 10 built-in battery report. First, open the command prompt as an administrator. You can do this by searching for CMD in the Windows search bar, right-clicking on Command Prompt, and selecting Run as Administrator. In the command prompt window, type the following command, Power CFG battery report, and press Enter. Windows will generate a battery report and save it to your computer. To access the report, open File Explorer and navigate to the following location. C. Windows System Series 32A's battery report. Open the battery report in your web browser to view detailed information about your battery health, usage history, and more. You can also check your battery health percentage from here. For that, you just have to do some calculations, such as dividing the last full charge value by design capacity. The answer will be your battery percentage. 2. Using third-party tools. Alternatively, you can use third-party software like HW Monitor or Battery Info View to check your laptop's battery health. Simply download and install the software, then launch it to view battery-related information. And there you have it, folks. Checking your laptop's battery health in Windows 10 is a breeze with these simple methods. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, bye.